Hi everyone, my name is Barbara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how Excel 365 has got you covered if you need some random data generated. We don't need to do any rand between, we don't need to use array formulas. Excel 365, there's a template for it to generate up to 1,000 lines of random data for us. Let's get right into it and I'll show you how to do it. First of all, file menu, and then along the top you should have blank workbook and some tutorials, and if you want to click more templates you'll see all the templates that are available. Now I've been in the random data generator so it is there, but if you don't see it, what you need to do is just type random and Excel and Microsoft will search through all of the templates that are available, and it is the random data generator you want. Click on it. Click create and you'll be taken to the generator. So I'm just going to clear these off for now. So you'll be faced with the data generator. First thing you need to do is select what type of data you want, and you have 10 options: name, date of birth, city, country, company, job, telephone number, email address, and some random text. And then it'll ask you how many rows you want to generate. Now you need to input between 1 and 1,000. The limit is 1,000 on this, but that should be a lot of data if you're just using it for testing or something like that. And then in this area here, this is where we're going to get our random data. So I'll keep it at 10 just for a small sample for now, and just click what you want. Let's get name, date of birth and email, and within a couple of seconds Excel's generated some random data for us, which is great if you want to just use it for testing or something like that. Let's go ahead and put in 1,000 and see how fast it is. That's fairly fast. Let's just check it's given us 1,000. Yeah, it has. That's a really good solid random data set if you wanted to do some testing on your Excel workbook. Let's put that back to 10 and let's put in some random text, see what that looks like, just to show you. So it generates 10 lines of random text. Very useful if you want to do some work with text-based functions, practice or test your solution there. So Excel 365 has really got us covered on random data generation. We don't need to put in any complex formulas. Use the rand between formulas, which is an option we could do, but if you want some fast random data, Excel 365 templates has us covered. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, it is free and it really helps the channel. If you've got any questions, leave them in the box below or leave a comment. I do read all the comments and reply to the questions. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time for another video.